Hello, welcome back to Vanhaven TV. I'm Jordan, and today I'm going to give you a tour of our showroom and the workshop. Let's see what we've got going on. So coming through here on the turntable at the moment, we've got something very, very special. This is the first 6.1 in the world on air suspension. So you can see how the wheels are tucked up into the arches. Absolutely sick looking van. Probably one of my favorite vans that we've got in at the moment. Single slide, barn doors, just really, really bloody cool, that van. Absolutely love it. Over here in the corner of our beautiful new showroom, we've got our brand new wheel wall. That's quite a tongue twister. Wheel wall. So all the different ranges and styles of wheels that we do, made by Riviera. Very, very nice selection. Here, another incredibly special, very famous Vanhaven-esque build. So this is the motorbike 2 van. So storage in the back for motorbikes, tie down points, jet wash, and then an absolutely beautiful seat design in the front with the Jacquard cloth in our signature GTC comfort style seat. Absolutely glorious machine. Beautiful. And here, another red van. This is one of our edition 73s, so limited edition, limited to 73 vans. Incredible bit of kit, full hand painted optics, carbon fibre, TTRC bucket seats with a diamond stitch. Absolutely insane build, this one. Really special suspension setup on there as well. Under the mez, we've got our baddie caddy. So you will notice an engine. And we have in the back of the baddie caddy an other engine. Small van. We normally do big vans. This is a small van. And here we've got all the leather options that we can have. So anything from your nice sensible blacks, your slightly out there creams, to your just downright insane yellow, green, orange, pink leather colours. I'm waiting for the day someone wants to come in and trim the entire inside of their van in this rather fetching baby pink. If you want to do that, please get in touch with me, because I would love to see that come through the workshop. Talking of the workshop, let's see what we've got going on. Hello, Alec. Through here is the workshop. So detailing, a couple of vans going through at the moment. This one's going out tomorrow, so that'll be making its way up to Newcastle. That's a van that we've just taken in, so that'll be up for sale on the website any day now. What else have we got going on? This van is about to go into build. So this is what all of our vans look like before we work our magic on them. So this is a short wheelbase, deep black pearl. In the back there, seats have been taken out, just completely standard panel van. And eventually we start working on it and turn it into something very, very special. Shall we find someone to talk to? Are you gonna put this in the video? Yeah. Where's Dan? Say hi to the people of YouTube, Dan.
Hi, people of YouTube.
What are you doing there?
You're having a wonderful day. I'm currently sanding a piece of wood.
What's the wood for?
Probably the most unthrilling thing you'll see on a Friday.
What are you sanding your wood for, Dan?
We are making a sub mount for the controllers, so nothing exciting, but we're going to Alcantara it, put it in and just make a mount. Nothing exciting, but it'll look nice.
That sounds exciting.
Well, so, yeah.
Cool.
What are we up to? Just having a workshop tour.
This is a workshop tour,
Right.
Very impromptu,
Yeah.
off the cuff, one take workshop
It's good to
tour.
come in on Friday because people are happy. It's the weekend, we've got customers coming in.
We do.
What do they not look forward to?
Exactly.
So, yeah.
There we go. Great. Dan. Vanhaven TV. I've been Jordan. It's been a pleasure. Hope you enjoyed the video. Tune in. I've been told to say this before, but I've forgotten. Every Friday, it's 7 o'clock. See you then. Bye.